welcome back for another DIY tutorial for Christmas. I'm having so much fun decorating for Christmas this year. I dried a bunch of oranges the other day and I'm gonna make a big garland string, and I'm also gonna make some ornaments to put on my Christmas tree, and I'm super excited about it. I'm gonna show you how I did both in this tutorial today. I have so many oranges. I did 2 large batches. And for the garland, the materials you're gonna need are some dried oranges, and I have a tutorial on that if you wanna check that out. Some larger needles, these are tapestry needles. And then I like this hemp cord a little better than the jute twine, just because I feel like they're a little cleaner and more fine lined and a little smaller. So I'm gonna use these. Haven't decided if I'm gonna go with the dark brown or the light brown. I'll probably do dark brown for the garland. We'll see what it looks like, and then light brown for the ornaments. And for the ornaments, you need orange slices, of course. And then I found this beautiful navy ribbon that has this gold edging around it. It's so pretty. I found it at a local boutique. It's the perfect color, navy blue. It kind of goes along with my Christmas wreath and my theme of Christmas this year in my home. And so I was excited about that. And then I have some wire and some wire cutters in case I need those for my ornaments too. This is my first time making ornaments, and so I'll try a few and see how they turned out. I've already tried one, but I didn't have this string. I just used fishing line, and they look so cute on the tree. And I think they're gonna look even better with this line. So let's get started on the garland. Okay, so I've pulled string out. I've decided I'm gonna go with the brown with this, and I'm gonna get my needle and thread that through. And then I've pulled out quite a bit because I don't know exactly how long I want this. I'm probably gonna even pull out a little more because it's easier to cut some off than add some. And then I'm gonna get my oranges and start. So I'll probably alternate between some big ones and small ones. Okay, so I'm gonna go up through here on this side and then down on this end next to the peel. And I'm gonna pull this carefully all the way down. And then I'm gonna get another one down one end and then up the other. And I do want them close together because this is all I'm doing is just the orange slices. So up, then down. I'll probably try to get a little closer. So down, then up. And then keep going like that. I'll just keep doing it. Okay, that's so pretty with the burgundy. I think I'll leave this here for Thanksgiving, and then I'll switch it out when Thanksgiving's over for Christmas, but it goes so cute on here. I actually really, really love it. And this room gets a lot of light, so I think that will be super fun to have the light shining on these, and it looks cute with the little twinkle lights. You can't really see them super, super well, but they're just little twinkling lights. So fun. So happy I made this. And let's move on to the ornament. Okay, so these are the cute ornaments I'm making for my tree. I'm super excited about them, you guys. And they look even prettier on the tree when they have light shining behind them. But look how adorable those are. I'm loving the navy theme, and I feel like my kind of nature leaning tree needs a little pop of color, and this orange ornament is perfect. So I'm going to show you how I made these using my dried oranges. So this ribbon I have tied into bows. Some of them are smaller than others. I kind of was running out of ribbon, so I'm going to use all my big ones first, and then if I need more, I'll use my smaller ones. I don't think it's going to matter. I'll just keep the ones eye level that I like the best. So I have these tied and set aside. So I'm going to just set some bows out here and get started. So I'm going to pull out some hemp cord and put it in here. And I'm gonna leave myself a pretty good length. Okay, so I'm gonna pick 3 oranges. I try not to think about it. I can be kind of picky. I think I want a little small one in front. I kind of like when the small one's in front. Not that one though. How about that one? That's a cute little trio. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off in the back. So I'm gonna go through this orange, come up and around, leaving myself some thread. Okay, then I'm gonna go in this next little segment, and I'm also gonna puncture through this next orange in the corner of a segment, if you can see there. Pull that through, and then I'm going to come around and go through this next orange, the second one. And then I'm going to put this to the side and go through that. And we have them all together here that you can see. And I like when they separate a little bit. So you can see they're gonna be kind of like this. Hold on, let me find the end. So when I tie it, they're gonna be a little bit like this. So they'll be all showing. So now I'm gonna come and I'm gonna do a square knot right here. So see how this is the front, and see how there's just one? I'm getting better at it, you guys. There's just one cord here, which is nice. So I'm gonna do a square knot. So I'm gonna do this right, see this right one, over left. So I'm gonna pull my needle through here. And I'm not gonna do it too tight quite yet. Okay, I have that first knot, and it's just easier to do the knots without this attached. So I'm just gonna cut this string about here. So now I've done right over left, and now I'm gonna do left string. See that? Left string over right. So I'm gonna tuck that under. You guys know how to do a square knot, right? And then I can do it tight here. And see how that hangs so cute? Probably can't see it too well, but it hangs like this. Okay, now I'm gonna come and get my bow. So I'm gonna use this bow. How cute is that? And I'm gonna put both of these upside down. So this is the front of my bow, and I'm gonna flip it upside down. This is the front of my oranges, and I'm gonna flip that upside down, okay? I'm gonna lay the 2 strings out. So I'm gonna take the right string and thread it. And I'm gonna cross it over in the back of this bow to the other side. And then take out my needle. And I'm gonna get the other one. So see how that's crossed over to that side? And I'm gonna cross this one over to the other side. So I'm gonna thread this. Okay. Got that threaded. So now I'm gonna take this on this side and cross it to the other side. And then take this off. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this bow down to where I want it. I like it so it's about like that. And I can even this out a little bit more. See how? There, that's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this around. Turn it upside down because that's a little easier. I think I will do it about right here. See how far that hangs. Yep, that's a good height, I think. Right over left again, square knot. Don't pull too hard on this because it'll move it closer. You can pull tight on the second one and then left over right. You can see that left over right. Tie your square knot. Okay, cute. Now you pull these together. And I like my string to be about, let's see, I'm just gonna tie a knot with both together. And I like it to be about that big that I put on the tree. So cute. And now I just cut off this little piece right here. And that's your ornament. So cute. And then my tree will be a surprise in a next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I feel like these are pretty simple to make and pretty fun, and they add a touch of natural element, and I love the softness of the velvet bow on top of them. And you can do any color you want, but I feel like blue complements orange so well, and I think they turned out pretty cute. So let me know if you guys try this. Thanks for following along, and let me know if you try the garland as well. And I hope you guys have a good holiday season. Thanks for watching. Bye.